Welcome to Adventure Travel Agency. Come this way, Michael will help you.
Hello, how can I help you today? Hello. Hello. Hey, we're looking for recommendations for the summers to go on vacation, places and things like that.
Alright, what kind of place are you thinking of going?
We're thinking on going to like a tropical place or some place where there's a lot of areas, a lot of animals.
Rainforest will get a lot of that.
Yeah.
Neat place to visit.
So, how's the climate?
Climate, as you might expect from the name, it rains a lot. It's pretty wet and humid. Warm though too, so that's nice.
And what kind of animals should we expect?
Well, actually, rainforest is home to more than half the species of animals on the planet. You can see parrots, toucans, jaguars, even piranhas.
And is there hotels, places to stay? How much?
We have hotels which are about $300 a night. If you want cheaper options, we also have cabins you can stay in for a more rustic camping kind of feel. Those are $100 a night.
Yeah. Oh, wow. That's nice.
And what kind of, can you show us where these rainforests are?
Yeah, so you have the Amazon, which is in South America. You also have rainforests in Central America. You've got Africa here, then also in Southeast Asia and Northeastern Australia. So there's a bunch of to choose from.
Oh, wow. I think South Australia. Other tours, places?
Yep, we do guided foot and driving tours that you can do. It was like bus tours, getting a safari vehicle. Also zipline tours we offer.
Wow, that's interesting.
Do you have any idea when the best time to go during the year is?
The best time, that depends if you want to go wet season or dry season.
What do you recommend?
I don't know, I would say probably winter months. Also would be really warm.
Yeah.
Alright then. Well,
Thank you.
yeah, thanks.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Alright, well, thanks.
You can take anything out of this brochure if you like.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. We can totally check it out.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
You too.
This is helpful.